Well, hello everyone. Happy Thursday. Made it past hump day and rounding the corner to the end of week 3. Hard to believe. So, little kind of catch up on where we should be at now. For the last 3 days, we kind of had that Gizmo's nuclear decay lab that I wanted you to work through. Now, I don't think that was a huge chunk of time, and there's a lot of them that I don't have yet. So I haven't gone in to look to see whether they're partially done and just not turned in. Maybe some of you, and I'm sure some of you worked maybe the first day and then just didn't get to it the next day. But so I had given you 3 days to work on that and said, do whatever 3 days you want, but maybe that much freedom wasn't good for you because like a lot of you just didn't get that done. So like with all things, if you're seeing holes in the grade book, it's something that is probably going to have to get done. So I don't want you to make a pile of stuff that you need to get caught up on. And I am going to start a little bit more work today. Now, this isn't going to be like a huge chunk of work today, so I don't think it's ridiculous maybe to finish up the lab and also do today's, but you do want to try to get moving along. We're kind of wrapping up the unit here, sort of on the last little topic that I'm going to spend a few days on. And I think it's kind of a neat one. So we're going to start talking about what's called half-life today. So if I can give you a little idea what it's about, we've been talking about these processes, these nuclear reactions, where one kind of nucleus turns into a different kind of nucleus. Well, the question that we're going to talk about today is, how long does it take for that to happen? Like if I have a big mountain of, let's say, an unstable nucleus, how long will it take for all of those atoms to decay? Do they all do it right away, or it turns out they don't do it all right away? It kind of happens over time, and so we have this measurement called a half-life. And so I'm going to let a guy named Tyler DeWitt describe this to you. He's actually been making good chemistry videos for years and years, long before I have, and he's got a pretty slick system. So when I looked at his presentation, I thought, oh gosh, I don't think I can do it any better than that. So I'm just going to give a little bit of an introduction, and then I'm going to let you settle in. And now what's a little different here is he's not writing notes the way I do for you to copy. So one of the things I'm going to have you do when you're finished, when you do the little Google form I typically have you do, it's going to have you check to make sure that you've got some things in your notes that are going to be useful for you. Because remember, you can use your notes for all the stuff that we do from here on. If you take quizzes and worksheets and practice and labs and all that, you can always have those notes in front of you, and I kind of intend for you to do that. So, so I think that I'll end that here, and then I'm going to send you right to the Tyler DeWitt video, and then a little Google form, and that'll be that. And then if you need to, you can go back and get that lab finish up and submitted, and then you'll be hopefully all caught up. So, all right, that's it for the intro. Have a good day. Leave a comment or a question if you have it on Google Classroom, or just regular old email, and I'll get back with you.